Hey guys, I promised you I would show you how to make an electrolyte drink that you can do from home, really easy. There's only a couple of ingredients that you need, which is basically salt and water, but you want a special type of salt, one that's unprocessed. Ideally, Celtic salt or Himalayan salt, the pink salt would be good. Those are two really good sources. And you also need water, filtered water preferably, or distilled water. Now, I have distilled water at home, so it's really imperative I do put the minerals back in. So this is a really good way to do it. But this is going to be a very concentrated amount, so you'll only need to use a small amount of this in your ordinary water every day. Okay, so what do we need? Well, the main things to use are, if you could get yourself a mason jar or a glass jar, one which has a bamboo lid or a wooden lid, or you could use a cheesecloth over the top, but you don't want metal because salt does corrode metal, so we really don't want to use metal with this at all. And when it comes to stirring, you want to use something that's not metal. So okay, now for this particular recipe, it's so easy to do. You just need about a cup of sea salt or the Himalayan salt. So I'm just going to pop that into the glass jar. Okay, so once you've got about a cup of your sea salt, Celtic sea salt or Himalayan salt, then what we're going to do is we're going to top it up with water. There we go. Just near to the top. You don't want to fill it completely. But what we'll do now is we're going to pop the lid on and we're going to seal this. This one will be sealed for approximately 24 hours. And then in the morning what we do is we'll just give it a stir, and there will be some salts still left in there, but you can give them a stir. And over time, as the salts start to disintegrate, what will happen is you'll have a grey sort of film at the bottom of this. But don't worry, the water will become clear and you'll have a grey film. And it won't look very nice, it'll look quite dirty, but actually it's the minerals from the sea salt. If you're using Himalayan salt, obviously it won't be grey, it'll be different colour, but it depends on the salt that you're using. So don't be alarmed by that. And what you do is I use a little syringe, and I just syringe some water out of here and place it into the water that I'm drinking. Now, because I'm doing distilled water, I usually do about 4 litres at a time. So I will fill up quite a thick syringe full and put that in the 4 litres. Now, if you're doing, say, a glass of water, you probably will only need just a small amount, maybe a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of this, just to give you an idea. Okay, guys, I hope this has been helpful. It's so simple. As I say, just leave it for 24 hours initially, just for it to absorb into the water. And you can, if you want to make it a bit stronger, you can add more salt after that and keep doing that just until the salt no longer dissolves, and then you know it's fully saturated. But I find this is enough, a cup, and it's entirely up to you how much you want to do this and how strong you want to do this. But it's so simple, and after the 24 hours it's ready to use. Okay, I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.